welcome to AI Buddy. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate around and set up your social media blast. So once you come to the AI Buddy webpage, aibuddy.pro, click on Services Marketing. You'll come to this page, click on Start Posting. If you have not already signed up, click on Sign Up, put in your business name, email address and password. If you already have an account, click on Sign In. Once you've signed in, you'll be able to view the number of credits that you have and the number of posts that you can do on the top right hand corner over here. Now, if you're on the free plan, you will not be allowed to use any AI tools, but you can still post using your own content, your images and videos to multiple platforms. If you're on the pro plan, then you'll be able to generate AI content. Now, first step you do is go to the business profile page, fill in this page so that AI can learn about your product description, target audience, voice and brand, key competitors, and what it is that you're trying to achieve. Once you completed this page, click on complete. Now then AI will start learning your business. The next thing I recommend you to do is use our AI Research Center. With one click of a button on the top right, click on Generate Research. You'll be able to understand your target market and all the latest and seasonal trends in terms of topic that you should be posting. You can also evaluate your competitors and also all the content angles, what is trending and what is not trending. Once you've done that, click on Social Connections and start connecting your social media accounts. There are multiple accounts that you can connect to. Connect the ones that you want to post to. Okay, in Social Connections, let's say you want to connect your Facebook. Make sure that you are already signed into that page in your Facebook. Don't sign in to any other account except for the account that you want to connect your social media blast with. So continue as the user. Okay, so it's connected. So go back and now you can see it's now all connected. That's how easy it is. Now you have three options here when you want to post. You can post now, you can schedule it for later, or you can use AI to do recurring content for you, which is our very unique selling point here. I'll show it to you later. So under scheduling, you can choose the date. Let's say I want to post today, but I want to post it at 7:20 p.m. at night, Brisbane time. Press next, choose whatever platform you want to post it on. Now, with content writing, you can write your content here manually without any AI input, or you can use prompts to generate AI content. With prompting, you need to be as specific as possible. I've given you an example here of how specific I write my own prompts, like teach small and medium enterprises how to manage business growth effectively, sustainably, core growth strategies of SMEs, how to align people, systems, cash flow. I give examples of topics that I want to talk about in 2026, and practical ways. I instruct it to make sure that there are hooks and call to action in the post as well. So that's the type of detail that you need to put it in. So let's say I put all of that prompt in here, generate AI content for 3 platforms. Now our algorithm in the back allows you to create content for each platform with slightly different type of content, because each platform has its own guidelines and limitations. Some platforms only allows 2,000 characters, while others only allow 200 characters or no more than 5 hashtags. So our platform already knows that and will write content accordingly, so it's compliant to the different social media platforms. So let's say if you're not happy with this, you can edit it. edit it, add sentences, remove sentences, or you can regenerate it and then save. So I'm going to cancel and just accept everything as it is. I'm going to press next. So when I press next, I come to our media page. For some platforms, adding media resources are compulsory. For example, you cannot just post content textual information on TikTok and YouTube because they require you to have videos. Let's say you want to upload your own image, so you can either upload your own image here by choosing it from your local file, or you can generate an AI image here. Please be as specific as you can possibly be. Let's say a female business person at a coffee shop drinking coffee, wearing white dress, looking out, smiling the window, something like that. Computer shows AI dashboard, looking under control. Doesn't really matter if you make mistakes, AI will pick that up. So generate image. When you're generating image, it will take a few minutes. You can go to other tabs and start doing other things, but please do not close this page. Don't exit completely out of this page. If you exit, then it's gonna stop generating the image and you won't be able to post because you haven't clicked on schedule post yet. Okay, now white dress, if follow my instruction exactly with AI dashboard, woman smiling outside, looking outside the window. It understood my spelling mistakes and grammar mistakes. If you don't like it, regenerate it. But when you regenerate it, it will still use the same prompt. So if you don't like it, I recommend you to change your prompt. You can download it so that you have a copy of this image and you own the image because you've paid for it. Now I'm going to download it. To download it, just right click save image as, or click on the download button. Now sometimes you want to change an image. Let's say you want to put your logo and then you want to design the image around your logo, or you don't like a particular image because you've taken a photo of the office but you want it to make it more professional, make it into a poster. You can then choose customize image with AI. So what you can do is that you can choose an image from your local drive. I'm going to choose the image that I've just created using AI, and I'm going to change it. Let's say change the cup of coffee to a glass of water, and change the woman to a Chinese looking woman with black hair. Then let's say looking at the computer on her desk. All right, and insert AI buddy.pro on the top left hand corner of the image. There you go. Customize with AI. So this particular image will then be customized according to your prompt. All right, there you go. Chinese looking AI buddy.pro on the top left hand corner, and the coffee has been changed to a glass of water. Perfect. So all you have to do now is just click on schedule post and it will post according to the timelines that you have chosen. Now another very good tool is if you wanted to post onto YouTube platforms or TikTok platforms, you will want to choose video. You can choose to upload your video. The limit is around 200 megabytes. Don't make it too long because then you lose engagement. Or you can choose an AI generator. Now the VO Google 3 generates 8-second videos. Let's say if I want to go Chinese successful woman using AI dashboard. leading a team of people from diverse cultures, let's say, in a board meeting room, showcasing success. All right, so then I can then generate. Now the video will be generated in a few minutes, so please again don't close out of this page. You can go to other tabs, but just don't close out. Okay, now the video has been generated. It will include sound, music, and you can include all of that in your prompt to direct the prompt to create your video.
The predictive analytics from the new iBuddy platform clearly demonstrate a significant upturn in market engagement. We are exceeding all expectations.
There you go. Whatever you want the video to say, do, sound, please put it in your prompt. You can regenerate it, download it, and then just press schedule post. If you don't want to use this one, now avatar videos are a great way to present educational materials and educational content. Social media platforms these days, they don't want their audiences to be spammed with discounts, advertisements. They want free educational content which adds value to people's lives. So this one is one of my favorites. You can choose public avatars. You have thousands of avatars to choose from. Click on the drop down. It takes a few seconds to load, so be patient with it. Click on the drop down and you'll be able to enlarge it and see the faces of different avatars from different nationalities, backgrounds, different costumes, and choose the avatar that you want. Let's say I want to choose this one. Once you have chosen your avatar, you can also choose the voice and accent that you want. For example, some voices over here include previews. That means you can listen to the voice prior to choosing them. Some does not have previews available. There are many voices. I recommend you to choose the ones that have previews that's available. You can have a look whether it's male or female, and also which voices support accents. I want to choose Blanca, let's say. See the preview is available. It has different accents. It's in English, it's female, aligns with my avatar. Yeah.
Hello, this is how I sound.
Good.
Hope you like it.
I want to choose an Australian accent because my audiences are from Australia. Now over here you can put in your avatar's prompt. So what you want your avatar to say. Let's say you can put in as much details as you want. Let's say I want to say educate what people don't know about AI tools. Let's say that's all I wanted to do. Doesn't really matter about spelling mistakes or poor grammar. Click on check with AI if you want, and it will basically write the script for you. Now you don't need to click on check with AI if you want to write every single sentence yourself. That's absolutely fine. I love using AI to correct my sentences, add hooks, etc. So there you go. I am now going to create the avatar. Avatar takes a few minutes. Please be patient with it. You can go and check your emails on your phones, but just leave this page alone so that it can generate the avatar video. Now, if you have errors, it says that avatar 5 failed. It might be because of your script. It doesn't comply with the platform. Change your script so that it complies with the platform. Make sure that there is no violence, there's no abuse or foul language or anything that implies terrorism in your script. The system will reject those kind of scripts and prompts. Sometimes it is possible that the server is down, so try again. If it doesn't work, try again in half an hour or 1 hour later or a few minutes later. Now, a lot of people ask, okay, what happens if I want to use my own personal avatar, like the way that you do, Nina, and my own personal voice? That's absolutely fine. We do have a my avatar guide that you can use. Basically, all you need to do is record 2 to 5 minutes of yourself speaking into the camera. We do have a guide for that. For example, make sure there's good lighting, it's quiet, make sure that you're not stiff on your shoulders, that you move around naturally, looking into the camera, and then you'll have to send that avatar recording to us. And what we'll do is that we'll feed it into our machine, learn your movements, clone your voice, and make it available on your dashboard, where you will be able to click on select avatar, and your avatar will be there once approved. We do need a recorded consent in terms that you give us the right to use your avatar for your content purposes and to be displayed on our platform under your account. So right, let's have a look. Okay, so the avatar is now ready.
Welcome to our quick guide on AI tools. Did you know that AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, saving you time and effort? They can analyze vast amounts of data with incredible...
It will read this whole entire script for you. And all you have to do now is just schedule post. I now want to show you my favorite function on this platform is recurring. It takes a lot of time and energy. Literally every month I only spend 5 minutes on this platform, and I post 3 to 5 posts per day using this recurring function. Let me show you. So let's say if you want to start your post today, let's say at 5:40 p.m. I want to do it every single day, because you know, the more you're in front of your audience faces, the better. So that they remember you. I wanted to do it until the end of this month. I normally do once a month, so that there is a different topic every month. So I press next. I choose the platforms that I want to be posting it. I normally choose all of them. I press next. I write my content here. Let's say I write that content there, giving it plenty of example of a list of topics that the recurring agent will be fetching from. So give examples of different topics that you want the agents to be able to educate your audiences. Click on generate AI image if you want it to be an image post. Click on generate a 8-second video if you want it to be a video, or click on avatar videos. I love the avatar videos because it's educational. It teaches people about things, and it allows the algorithm to run by itself. So you will probably notice that there is no prompt per generate AI image, video, or avatar, because you only need one single prompt here, and this single prompt, from this prompt, the machine will then, the AI agents will then learn what needs to be optimized for image, video, and avatar. It will automatically write scripts for you every day. How amazing is that? Now, a lot of people say, well, how do I pre-approve? Well, you cannot pre-approve. If you pre-approve, then choose the scheduled function. Don't choose the recurring. Recurring is that you know your prompt so well, you know your compliance so well. It's all been written. Do's and do nots have all been written in the prompt. You trust your own prompt, and then you post it without. So it's basically set and forget. That's what I use every day, because I already know my prompt and I trust my prompts. Now, what happens if you saw a post that you don't like? Well, just delete it and then cancel the scheduling function. Schedule it, and that's all you have to do. Just one page of work. How amazing of that. Now, once you start scheduling, you go to the schedule and you'll see all the schedule posts. Now, if you don't want a certain post because you want it to improve on the prompt or the function, you just delete it and then redo it again. The content queue allows you to view all schedule posts, process posts, fail post. Why it failed, it might be because you've breached the guidelines of the prompt. Then you rewrite the prompt. It might be because you ran out of credits, etc. So that's how you use Social Media Plus. Enjoy, have fun.